Welcome! We're breaking down the costs associated with developing a fantasy cricket app. Fantasy cricket is hugely popular globally, with millions logging in daily. If you're looking to capitalize on this trend, understanding development costs is crucial. So how much does it actually cost to build a professional fantasy sports application? The typical cost for a fantasy cricket app falls between $30,000 to $150,000, depending on various factors. The final price tag depends heavily on factors like the app's complexity, the features you include, and the location of your development team. Let's look at the estimated costs based on the complexity and feature set of the application. A basic app with limited features typically requires 3 to 4 months of development, costing between $30,000 and $50,000. A mid-range app with more features and a better user experience will take 4 to 6 months, with costs ranging from $50,000 to $100,000. For an advanced app with AI-driven analytics, real-time features, and high-end UI, budget 6 to 9 months and expect costs from $100,000 up to $150,000 or more. Development costs also vary based on the app's specific category or format. Daily fantasy sports applications need complex, real-time data integration and secure payment processing, pushing costs between $30,000 and $100,000. Multi-sport fantasy applications require diverse APIs and complex database management for various sports, placing them in the $60,000 to $150,000 range. Specialty apps, like dedicated fantasy cricket or football, need customized scoring and unique features, generally costing between $30,000 and $90,000. Several other crucial factors directly impact the overall price of developing your fantasy cricket app. Choosing between native applications for single platforms or cross-platform development significantly affects your budget. Cross-platform is often preferred for expenditure reduction. The complexity of the tech stack, including the use of AI, AR/VR, or specific programming languages, will cause vast changes in performance and overall development cost. Developer location plays a major role. For example, US developers typically charge $40 to $50 per hour, while developers in Asia might charge $15 to $25 per hour. Remember to budget for app maintenance, which includes ongoing costs like bug fixes, security updates, technical support, and new feature builds. The more features and functionalities you include, the more complex the app becomes, directly increasing man-hours and the overall development cost. In conclusion, fantasy sports app development demands deep planning, smart investment, and a focus on user demands. The industry is projected for massive growth, reaching around $71.24 billion, but costs vary greatly based on complexity, features, and platform. Focusing on strong UI/UX, real-time data integration, and compliance will ensure an extended user experience and long-term profit. If you're planning your app and need a clear cost estimate or expert guidance, contact our team today to turn your idea into a winning platform.